Potatoes, carrots, celery, zucchini squash, onions, chicken, and eggs. Oh my. We call it breakfast. Breakfast of champions made with olive oil, butter, and coconut oil. And of course the juices out of all the fried vegetables. Then you cook it until the eggs are over easy, still nice and moist, a little runny, not like crazy runny. I don't like snot. But boy, I'll tell you, you talk about a breakfast. Oh, and garlic, salt, sea salt, never anything but sea salt. Here's why. If you take salt, take out everything but the sodium, give the customers just the sodium, it's bad for you. Salt has 95 minerals in it. You need the minerals with the salt so your body knows what it is. God knows what he was doing when he made salt. You should eat at least a half a teaspoon of salt every day. Every day. I drink apple cider vinegar water. Okay, it's time to shut this thing off. I don't want the egg cooked hard. Eggs are the most perfect form of protein. It's all in there. All right. Talk to you later.